Harriet, how you feel today?
I feel amazing.
Good. Do you believe it that you passed first time?
I can't believe it, but
Why not?
yes.
You passed first time. Absolutely great. Great. So, now tell me about yourself. In the beginning of the lesson, I noticed obviously, first mock test was nerve-wracking.
Yeah.
Second was less. And how this experience was itself for the driving test, sitting with the examiner.
It was fine. It was completely fine.
So do you think the mock test which I have done, it transformed you completely?
Yeah.
To hold your nerves and same time deliver nicely?
Yes.
Even the examiner said that, well done, good drive.
Yeah.
And it was, how many minors you had? Just 2 minors.
Oh, really? Was
Yes,
it?
that was it. So this is brilliant drive.
Oh, this is
Best
amazing.
of the best. Amazing. Now we are standing outside the test center, and this is the test center, and we can say that, Harriet, you have a full license. You are driving and you're going to drive yourself. Now, which test route they have taken you? Similar, which we have tried?
Yeah, with Mummy.
Waltham Abbey. Yeah, have you leaving now? Thank you. Waltham Abbey. That's brilliant. So the same test route, and she asked you to drive, follow the sign for Waltham Abbey,
Yes.
and then
Upshare.
Upshare. Before that, it was Harlow.
Yeah. Oh,
And
yeah, sorry.
gotcha. And which maneuver she asked you to do? Park on the right side
Yes.
and reverse back 2 cars.
Yes.
Brilliant. You're mastered with that. That was good. Did she ask you to do emergency stop?
Yes. An emergency stop.
Well done. Well done. And examiner was very nice, very polite.
Yeah, very.
It was the same thing I mentioned to you. She's one of the good examiner.
Yes.
Yes. People have a perception about the examiner that they're horrible people. But did you feel like this way?
No.
They are very friendly. They want to pass you, but as long as you deliver yourself, that you can drive nicely as well.
Yes.
That's good. Thank you very much. So that's it. So now we're at the test center. Harriet, you passed first time. Any advice you'd like to give to the people?
Don't panic. I panicked a lot.
Good advice. Okay.
Don't
That's
panic.
number 1. Do not panic, guys. It's easy. You know what to do. And second one, please.
Don't overthink. I overthinked a lot before. No, there's just no need for it.
Good. So there is no need to overthink. Just look and drive and deliver it. That's best. What is the last advice?
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself that you can do it. And Harriet done it today, first time. Well done, Harriet.
Thank you
well
very
done.
much.
Excellent, good, man. Guys, don't take too long. You will be ready for the test. And I want you to trust yourself that you can pass, all of you, first time. It's me who basically passed. Not only my student passed today, it's feel like it, I passed. All the hard work pays off. Guys, you look after yourself, and I'll see you next video. Over and out from now.